In this video, I am going to show you how to make a professional type RC car receiver. Already, I uploaded a RC car remote. You can watch it, link in the description. These are the items you require. First, download the receiver schematic from the description and take a laser printout in tracing paper and cut top and bottom layer. Cut a blank PCB at the size of 5.7 cm height and 10.7 cm width. Clean your PCB with pitambari powder and rub it with scrubber. Do it lightly, don't rub too much, otherwise your copper layer become very thin, it will break. Dry it in a clean cloth. Place the top layer over the PCB. Start ironing slowly for another 15 to 20 minutes and turn the other side. Then place the bottom layer and start ironing slowly. You must match the bottom layer with the top layer exactly, otherwise the pinning drilling will mismatch. You have to ensure it. After that, dip it in water for a minute and start peeling off the tracing sheet slowly. If any tracing is broken, use a permanent marker to draw it again. Now take a plastic tray, add a 3 spoons of Ferric Chloride, etching powder, add some water, dip the PCB in a tray and start shaking slowly for another 20 to 30 minutes till your unwanted copper dissolves in the chemical. Finally, your PCB is ready. Wash it in water and rub it lightly with a scrubber and don't rub too much. Start drilling hole in PCB. Connect a wires first before soldering any component because it's difficult to solder in the later stage. Connect a female header pin for your Arduino Nano on an Nrf24 radio model. I am not directly mounting on the PCB board because why I am using this method, it helps to replace your models whenever you require. If you are mounting directly on the PCB board, it becomes difficult for you to replace. Solder the bottom layer. Solder a single core stiff wire in a motor driver module connection. Otherwise it is difficult to solder it on a PCB board. Before mounting, I use a piece of plastic or a wood to avoid a short circuit at the bottom. Then solder the connection. Top layer connection is difficult. If not connecting, then use a piece of wire to connect. I already shown you in a transmitter connection. You can see it how it is difficult to connect the top layer. Check the connectivity with the help of multimeter. Solder a battery connection. Check the voltage level before mounting Nrf24 and Arduino Nano. Make sure your Nrf24 receiving a 3.3 volt approx. If you are supplying a 5 volt, your Nrf24 will burn. Connect the USB cable, one end to the laptop and other end to the receiver. Upload the code. The code is available in the description. That's it. RC car receiver is ready. Then watch out my other videos of making of transmitter, that is joystick remote, and assembling of RC car. If you like it, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.